Living in a tiny apartment often presents unique challenges, especially when it comes to designing a living room that feels comfortable, functional, and visually appealing. Limited square footage can easily feel cramped or cluttered if not handled thoughtfully. However, with a minimalist approach, even the smallest living room can be transformed into a calm, elegant, and highly efficient space. Minimalism is not about emptiness, but about intentional choices that enhance daily living. This article explores how a tiny apartment living room can be successfully remodeled using minimalist principles, creating a space that feels open, balanced, and welcoming. Understanding minimalism in small living rooms. Minimalist design focuses on simplicity, clarity, and purpose. In a tiny living room, this philosophy becomes especially powerful. Every piece of furniture, every color choice, and every decorative element should serve a clear function or add meaningful value to the space. Instead of filling the room with numerous items, minimalism encourages restraint and careful selection. In small apartments, minimalism also helps reduce visual noise. Clean lines, uncluttered surfaces, and a limited color palette allow the room to breathe. This creates an atmosphere that feels more spacious than its actual size. The goal is to design a living room that supports daily activities while maintaining a sense of calm and order. Planning the makeover with function in mind. Before beginning a living room makeover, careful planning is essential. In a tiny apartment, the living room often serves multiple purposes, such as relaxing, entertaining guests, working, or even dining. Identifying these needs early helps guide design decisions and prevents unnecessary purchases. Start by evaluating how the space is currently used and what problems need solving. Is there insufficient seating? Is storage lacking? Does the room feel dark or crowded? By answering these questions, it becomes easier to prioritize what truly matters. Minimalist design works best when functionality leads the process, ensuring the final result is not only attractive but also practical. Choosing the right furniture for a minimalist look. Furniture selection plays a central role in transforming a small living room. In minimalist design, less is more, but quality and proportion are crucial. Opt for furniture with clean silhouettes, slim profiles, and simple forms. Bulky or overly ornate pieces can overwhelm a small space and disrupt the minimalist aesthetic. Multifunctional furniture is particularly valuable in tiny apartments. A sofa with hidden storage, a coffee table that doubles as a workspace, or an ottoman that can serve as seating are excellent examples. These pieces reduce the number of items needed while increasing usability. When arranging furniture, leave enough open space to allow easy movement and avoid pushing everything against the walls unless necessary. Creating a light and airy color palette. Color has a significant impact on how a small living room is perceived. Minimalist interiors typically rely on neutral tones such as white, beige, soft gray, or warm taupe. These colors reflect light and help create an open, airy feeling that makes the room appear larger. To prevent the space from feeling flat or monotonous, subtle variations in tone and texture can be introduced. For example, a light gray sofa paired with off-white walls and natural wood accents adds depth without disrupting the minimalist theme. Accent colors, if used, should be soft and limited, appearing in small decorative elements rather than dominating the room. Maximizing natural and artificial lighting. Lighting is one of the most effective tools for enhancing a tiny living room. Natural light should be maximized whenever possible. Avoid heavy curtains that block sunlight and instead choose sheer or lightweight window coverings. Keeping windows unobstructed helps blur the boundary between indoors and outdoors, making the room feel more expansive. Artificial lighting should be layered thoughtfully. Rather than relying on a single overhead light, combine floor lamps, table lamps, or wall-mounted fixtures to create a balanced and inviting atmosphere. In minimalist design, lighting fixtures often feature simple shapes and neutral finishes, allowing them to blend seamlessly into the overall look while still providing warmth and functionality. Smart storage solutions to reduce clutter. Clutter is the enemy of minimalism, especially in small spaces. Effective storage solutions are essential for maintaining a clean and organized living room. Built-in shelving, wall-mounted cabinets, or low-profile storage units can provide ample space, without taking up valuable floor area. Closed storage is particularly useful for hiding everyday items and preserving a tidy appearance. However, a small amount of open shelving can be used to display carefully chosen decorative objects, such as books or plants, adding personality without overwhelming the space. The key is moderation and consistency, ensuring that storage supports the minimalist vision rather than detracts from it. Using textures and materials to add warmth. A common misconception about minimalist interiors is that they feel cold or impersonal. In reality, the thoughtful use of textures and materials can make a small living room feel warm and inviting. Natural materials such as wood, linen, cotton, or will introduce softness and visual interest. For example, a neutral sofa can be paired with textured cushions, a simple area rug, or a woven throw. These elements add comfort without introducing clutter. In a tiny living room, it is important to balance restraint with warmth, ensuring the space feels livable and welcoming rather than sterile. Decorating with purpose and restraint. Decoration in a minimalist living room should be intentional. Instead of filling the space with numerous accessories, select a few meaningful pieces that reflect personal taste. A single artwork, a well-chosen mirror, or a small indoor plant can make a strong visual impact without overwhelming the room. Mirrors are particularly effective in tiny apartments as they reflect light and create the illusion of a larger space. Plants, on the other hand, introduce life and freshness, softening the clean lines typical of minimalist design. Each decorative element should be placed with care, contributing to the overall harmony of the room. Maintaining the minimalist living room over time. A successful minimalist makeover does not end once the furniture is arranged and decorations are in place. Maintenance is an ongoing process. Regularly reassessing the space and removing items that no longer serve a purpose helps preserve the minimalist atmosphere. Developing simple habits, such as tidying up daily and being mindful of new purchases, ensures the living room remains functional and uncluttered. Minimalism is as much a lifestyle choice as it is a design style, encouraging mindful living and intentional consumption.